What are 5 items to maintain your home this fall? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here are 5 I personally check off each fall. First, clean those gutters and downspouts after leaves have fallen from the trees this fall. Second, fertilize the lawn and trim those back shrubs. Third, check the dryer vent and clean if needed. Fourth, remove outdoor hoses and insulate faucets before those winter chills arrive. And 5, check windows and doors for any drafts needing repair. So, pick your choice of order and knock these out. Thinking these would be more fun to complete in a different home? We can assist in finding you a new home. Just call or text today to talk through your home goals so we can let you know how the current housing market works to make your goals a reality.